The skin gut cell turnover breakthrough. Skin cell turnover rejuvenates skin by replacing old cells with new ones. This process is important to maintain in order to support healthy aging, optimal gut health, and for the appearance of healthy youthful skin. Prime Biome supports beneficial bacteria, helping to promote better skin health and a more youthful appearance. Inside every probiotic gummy of Prime Biome, you'll find an optimally dosed proprietary blend of nourishing ingredients, carefully mixed to complement one another into a powerful formula. B. Coagulans. Bobshi. Dandelion. Fennel. Inulin. Fenugreek. Lemon balm. Organic Ceylon ginger. Organic lion's mane. Slippery elm bark. Order 6 bottles and get 2 free bonuses. Retail price -$55 today, free. This guide answers one of the most common and burning questions: how do I get rid of orange peel skin? In this book, you'll find some unconventional but effective tips and tricks. Retail price -$54 today, free. In this guide, you'll see how getting healthy, strong hair can be easy if you follow a couple of homemade remedies. 100% satisfaction 60-day money-back guarantee. Your order today is covered by our ironclad 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not impressed with the results, then just write to us and we'll refund every single cent. Frequently asked questions. Prime Biome combines unique ingredients designed to support the cell turnover process by maintaining a healthy skin and gut microbiome. In turn, the new beneficial bacteria help promote a more youthful appearance. Our money-back guarantee is a risk-free option we are offering you because we believe in this formula so much. It means you can try Prime Biome for a full 60 days. And if you are not completely convinced by the amazing results, then you just get your money back. Most of our clients order 6 bottles at a time, and many double their order because they want to enjoy the benefits of this amazing gut and skin health supporting formula for as long as possible. It is a smart choice because those who buy the 6-bottle pack get a massive discount, free shipping, and 2 free online guides. That's a lot of value and savings, especially since, when they start seeing results, our clients usually want to reorder. Yes, your order is a one-off purchase with no hidden auto-ship clauses or charges. The price you see on the checkout page is the only price you will pay. In every single Prime Biome gummy is a proprietary formula of scientifically proven, extra strong ingredients, custom made to support the health of your gut and skin.